Hello! Welcome back to Berdu channel. Whether you're launching a brand new product line or restocking popular items, a pre-order system is an excellent way to efficiently gauge demand, manage inventory effectively, and accelerate sales, even for products that aren't yet physically available. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up a pre-order system on your website, from creating pre-ordered products, determining down payment amounts, to managing orders from down payment to full settlement. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the Berdu channel. Click the like button below and turn on the notification bell. First, activate the pre-order menu in Berdu. From your website's dashboard, navigate to Apps and search for the pre-order app. Click Use, check Active, then Save. Next, go to the Products menu. You can either create a new product or edit an existing one. Scroll down a little bit and notice the pre-order option here. If you check this, a new menu will appear. In Processing Time, input the number of days required to process the product until it is ready to ship. For example, I'll enter in 7 days. Regarding the down payment, there are 3 options: None, Optional, and Required. If you choose None, customers must pay the full amount upfront, without a deposit. Choosing Optional allows customers to select between full payment or making a down payment first. If you select Required, customers must pay a down payment first, with the remaining balance due when the product is ready. Set your down payment amount here. You're free to choose this amount. For example, if the price is $100, you might set the down payment at $20. This is just an example. Adjust the down payment according to your production costs and other factors. If your product has variations with different prices, we recommend setting the down payment value as a percentage to simplify calculations. For instance, enter 30% of the product price here. When everything is done, click Save and view the product. This is the product page, showing the down payment as $30 or 30% of the product price, and the payment option is a down payment. There's no full payment option here since we previously set the down payment as required. If we change the down payment to Optional, save the changes, and refresh the product page, 2 payment options appear: down payment and full payment, allowing customers to choose. Now, let's select Down Payment. On the checkout page, notice the down payment amount and the remaining balance. Now the customer can fill their data and proceed to checkout. Next, the customer transfers the down payment amount displayed in this invoice. Once the product is ready, the customer settles the remaining balance. That's all for this tutorial. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how to process pre-order product orders and customize the settlement payment page. Like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the Berdu.id channel for more tutorials. Don't forget to follow Berdu's social media for more exciting content. See you soon!